In the heart of every manufacturing plant, there's a rhythm, a pulse that drives innovation, quality, and progress. But what if we could amplify that rhythm? What if we could transform the way we work, the way we create, and the way we succeed? Digital shop floor management, or DSFM, is not just a tool. It's a revolution that brings clarity, efficiency, and empowerment to every corner of the shop floor. With DSFM, every worker becomes a decision maker. Real-time data and analytics provide insights that were once unimaginable. Machines talk, and we listen. We adapt, we improve. Managers can now see the bigger picture. They can make informed decisions that drive productivity and reduce downtime. The power of information is at their fingertips. Collaboration reaches new heights. Ideas flow freely, and innovation thrives. DSFM bridges the gap between the shop floor and the boardroom, creating a unified vision for success. Training becomes seamless. New employees are empowered from day one, guided by the knowledge and experience embedded in our digital systems. Quality is no longer a goal, it's a guarantee. Every product, every process, every moment is optimized for excellence. But beyond the machines, the data, and the technology, DSFM is about people. It's about giving our workforce the tools they need to succeed, to grow, and to thrive. Together, we are transforming manufacturing. Together, we are embracing the power of digital shop floor management. And together, we are building a brighter future. Transforming manufacturing, the power of digital shop floor management. Follow us on Duvan channel for more insights.